Hello, everyone. I definitely recommend this workshop. A lot of information, a lot of life skills you get to learn from it. A lot you can take away from it. From the cost of it, it's very little compared to the type of training you're getting from this. Uh, on top of that, if you're able to make more than six figures a year, especially learning the type of marketing skills that they're trying to implement on us and changing our mindset. This is so important. This not only for this type of business, but in general, running a business overall. I definitely persuade anyone that's having cold feet, go ahead and do it. As right now, I'm going through a life change myself, transitioning between jobs. I'm definitely gonna go all in on this.